respect, check one, hit the deck. Frankenstein from the laboratory, watch me connect with this hip-hop audience and all that really matters. Respect for the legends and those that come after. Not the sort of rapper that others be made from. Hip-hop is something that you're proud, not ashamed of. The sound's all natural, explodes under pressure when the men are separated from the boys who's fresher. My rhymes are like grains of sand through the hourglass. As time passes and the masses adjust, one God we trust, elevate us from the dust. Escape through the mind state, words are glorious. It's extraordinary, the beats are kinda rare. The essence is the flow, the beat is essential, particularly when you rock the right instrumental. I'm here to get down, hit the floor and shut them down. I shut them down. I shut them down. I'm shut them down. I shut them down. Shut them down. I shut them down. Shut them down. Shut them down. It's epic, rewind, come back and find me. The legacy of poetry beyond the MC. We shut them down, clowns that fuck around, see. Those who disapprove, still are disobedient. Respect the PR for the main ingredient. Effects are immediately, they consume. The sounds like fumes, eardrums like vacuum. As the ink penetrates the page like tattoos. The stage is like a maze, leave you dazed and confused. Nowadays it's like too many rappers to choose. I'm sad like the blues, overwhelming is the sorrow. Frankenstein still shines like the sun will tomorrow. Beat biters borrow, and copycats swallow. When the truth gets revealed, see they all sound hollow. I orbit the moon like the 13th Apollo, and follow the son of Zeus to the hip-hop oracle. 4 horses and a chariot. If a beat were a princess, I would marry it. Carry it across the plains of the Serengeti. I shut them down, but I don't think you're ready. Shut them down. 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 I shut them down. Shut them down.